Hello, welcome back to English with Eleanor. Today, for our slow English video, I want to show you one of my favorite animals. If you follow me on any other platform, you might already know that I live on a farm. On our farm, we have cows, not for milk, but they are beef and suckler cows. So this means that they are used for they're used for food, and they raise calves. So this cow has a calf at the moment. He is here. This cow is our oldest cow, and her name is Flossy. Flossy. Flossy is 15 years old, and she has had 13 calves. 13. How is this possible? Well, because she had 2 sets of twins. So one year she had twin bull calves, and another year she had twin heifer calves. So she has been incredibly productive, and I think she deserves her retirement now. Cows in Ireland are kept inside in the winter because it is too wet outside for them to be walking on the ground. It makes holes in the ground. So the cows and the calves are inside in the sheds from around October until April, depending on which part of the country you live in and what your land is like. When the cows are inside in the winter, they have a thick coat and they become quite itchy. So they really like to get combed like this. This is similar to the interactions that cows have together when they are out in the field. So you can see cows licking each other on the neck, usually when they are together during the summer. And you can see that she really enjoys it. She is quite itchy. This cow, Flossy, she will eat almost anything. So if I have old bread, vegetable peelings, anything like that, I give them to Flossy, and it's like a treat for her. The weirdest thing that she ever ate was Christmas cake. I will never do that again. So there was one time when she was a lot younger that there was a little piece of Christmas cake with icing on it, and it was going stale. This was maybe the end of January. So when I was giving Flossy the other treats, I gave her the cake. But I guess it was too sticky. The icing was sticky, and it sort of got stuck, I guess, because she seemed to be fine, but she put her whole head into the water barrel and blew out through her nose to try to get her airways cleared. So I will never do that again. That was the one and only time I let a cow eat icing. Obviously, she was totally fine. Here she is, about 6 or 7 years later, and everything is fine, but yes, would not recommend that one. Stick with the vegetables, fruit, and bread when it comes to giving cows treats. Do you have any animals at home? If not, would you like to? Tell me a little bit about your animal in the comments, and I would love to hear about it. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.